be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen. What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, I know you see the shoe behind me, so you probably got an idea of what's coming. So let me go ahead and bring it in. Boom. Adidas box. 3 stripes. You already know what it is. Boom. Adidas logo there. Another Adidas logo there. Alright. And these are the Adidas Forum 84 high. Alright. Size 13 in these bad boys. And the colorway is green and white. Alright. A little bit of gold in there. Alright. Now I can't remember exactly where I found these. Is there the receipt? Oh, the receipt for all you receipt boys is in here. And I got these from Extra Butter, New York. Alright. So I hadn't even seen these before. For some strange reason, I was shopping on Extra Butter. I might have been scrolling through the site. And I came across these and I said, I've never seen those before. And I went to the Adidas website to try to find them. And they weren't there. So I said, what? No. Must be a limited release. Must be a overseas release that hasn't made it over here yet. Because that's happened before. So I said, I'm going ahead and cop these right now. I'm going to go ahead and cop. But let's go ahead and get into it, man. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Roth TV. Oh man. I did it again. In the last video, I reached in and I grabbed the wrong shoe and I did it again. So let me put this back. Here we are. This is the correct shoe. And man, oh man. These are clean right here. These are clean, man. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Adidas Forum High. And that green and gold colorway. If you watch this channel, you know how I feel about those colorways. It's not my favorite colorway on a shoe, no, but I have sentimental value to this colorway because this is what I wore throughout my high school years. Alright? This is what I wore throughout my high school years. Fort Knox High School, Fort Knox, Kentucky, my freshman and sophomore year. Green and gold. Alright? Spencer High School, Columbus, Georgia. Green and gold for my junior and senior year. So whenever I see this on a shoe, I instantly, it makes me kind of want the shoe, man. But in this case, look at the different material. Now, forums are normally leather, like that. You see, they're normally a leather. This one does have the kind of corduroy at the top there, but they're normally a leather down here. All right, but this one is different. You can see it. It is suede here. It is suede there, and then it's still has the corduroy there. Man, look at you touch the suede is it's dyeing some of the green onto the suede right here. If I get a little closer, it's like such a soft material, man. It's so much going on, different materials. You do have a little bit of leather on the stripes there with that white and the gold or the yellow, however you're looking at this. And then you see that gold Adidas logo right there. Man, it's so beautiful, man. It's such a beautiful shoe. And you got your off-white cream midsole, and then a little bit of that gray going around the back here and a little bit up there. Look at the straps, suede. That suede material on the straps. If you haven't noticed before, normally there's an Adidas sign in there. This one there isn't, just suede, straight suede. Man. And then they wrapped up. I didn't really look in here. Let me see. Let me take that off. Oh, that is a different material right there. That's suede on there. Man, they did the thing with these. Look how it just falls. Look how that just falls off there. It's not even the material on the strap is so, it's not even stiff like most of them are. It just falls all nice and a little bit of a different kind of material here. Alright, and then they got it's a quality material when they got the tongue wrapped up. They did a little bit extra when they got the tongue wrapped up on these. Let me take dang, how do you even get the paper off of these? It's wrapped up good too. I don't want to have paper just laying in my, I ripped it. I knew it. Okay, there we go. I got it out. Look at that. It's etched into, it's like it's stitched, the Adidas logo stitched into it. It's not your normal patch. In my last video, when I spoke about the metallic silver and black forums, I complained about the tongue. I complained about the tongue not being of the best quality in forums. And now look at this. Look at this tongue. This is a quality built tongue right here. Look at that. It's thicker. They put some extra into it. The design look. This is nice right here. This shoe right here is nuts. This forum, this is one of the best built forums that I have right here. This one is nasty. It's nasty. It might be too good a quality. Look at on the back here. Look at the green bleeding onto the gray. I know some people are probably like, that's not good, but I just think that's just the level of the quality of the material, man. It's really good. The shoe even feels heavier than the normal forums to me. But I really like how that tongue looks. Let me go over here because there's more goodies to be found. Green laces. All right. Green laces come in the shoes. I will say that I wish that forums didn't lace their shoes all the way up, kind of like how Jordan 1s are. I know I always compare these to Jordan 1s, but I mean, look at them. Inside the shoe, you have the white cream laces. And I do kind of think that would hit nice because there's not so much of that on the shoe. Maybe break it up a little bit. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I switch it up? Should I put the cream laces in there instead of the greens? Let me know. Let me know. Take the paper out of here. Man, I can't get over how nice that tongue is. There's nothing on the back. There's nothing on the back. So I like that too. And I like how it is kind of like it's an unfinished tongue here. Like they didn't do the stitching over. I like that. I like that a lot. And this this material that is on the tongue that goes all the way down, that it looks like they had to cover that up. Nice. Nice, man. These are nice. On the inside, white insole with the gold Adidas logo and lettering. Very nice. Very nice shoe, man. You cannot go wrong with these right here. I didn't even mention the bottom. Boom. There's the bottom. Your regular Adidas Forum bottom. Cream this time. And as you can see, the Adidas, what is it? The trifold logo is on the inside of all the circles. And then here you have the Adidas logo and the trifold logo there. Flip it around, it's the same. All right, I like that the midsole, here you can see it's a little hint of the yellow there. Man, these are well built. These are well built, most definitely. And for that, I think I have no choice. I have no choice but to give these the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval for these, because these are just too sweet. I normally try to tell you if they are still available, but I'm not sure. If they are, I'll try to remember to put this in the description. But I did find these at Extra Butter, New York. Alright. But man, the green, I didn't mention that it's the green insides there. The inners, all green around the collar and everything. Suede on the back. Yo, these are nasty, man. These are nasty. I couldn't tell when I ordered them that the quality was this good, but these are phenomenal. As far as the build quality of the forums that I have a lot of forums over here, man. I have a whole bunch of them, but these might be top 3, top 2 maybe. I don't know. The quality on these is amazing. I'm like, man, I don't want to get them dirty, but I'm gonna rock them though. Get me a new Fort Knox Eagles shirt, and these is going down for sure, man. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. Look at this. Look at this. This is my high school tassel. So you see that green and gold right there. This is class of 2003. Don't say I'm old. I know some of y'all watching, you're probably like, damn, who said damn? Class of 2003. Right there. But yeah, man, that green and gold holds a special place in my heart, man. It holds a special place. Peace.